If you see male bees being kicked out of the hive this autumn, don't look away. There's a secret story behind it. Most people think drone bees are only here to mate, but right now in Bee-Croft, Sydney, they serve a surprising purpose. As nights cool and flowers fade, worker bees begin to consolidate the colony for winter. But before drones are removed, they actually help regulate hive temperature. Their larger bodies produce heat, supporting the brood as the colony shrinks and nectar flow slows dramatically. This warming is critical for survival, especially with Sydney's unpredictable autumn chills and cooler nights. Once the queen stops laying drone eggs and honey stores are carefully assessed for winter, workers start to evict the drones, sometimes dragging them out by force. It looks harsh, but it's normal and necessary for the colony's health. Here's the twist. If you see drones lingering longer than usual, it could mean the hive is struggling to keep warm or isn't ready for winter. That's a vital clue for Sydney beekeepers managing their hives this season. This is what our bees are doing right now in Sydney.